Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Yo, what's up, viewers? Welcome back. And today we are going to be reviving our Carwash machine. The machine hasn't been running for about 3 years or so. As you can see, we have a pull start system over here. This is our fuel tank. What else? This is our air cleaner. And on this side, we have our exhaust and definitely our pump. So, enjoy the video. As you get the machine running. So, we're here trying to access fuel tank. We definitely need number 10 so that we may get the old fuel. Out of the fuel tank. Old fuel will not burn well, right? So it's just best get rid of it. Still locked. On this side, here, this is a carburetor linkage. Carburetor system is here. So try do our best. So we finally have our air cleaner. As you can see, we just adjust the camera right. This is our air cleaner system out. This is it's a Japan make machine. It's a Carwash pressure washer. So here's our air cleaner. Looks not so much in a good condition, but it's not so bad. We'll clean it later. Put that there. Yeah, let's not concentrate too much with this. So here we are. Accessing our fuel tank to get rid of the old fuel. No. We need to get our 2 bolts out. And finally, get rid of number 10 bolt that we used to get our tanks in place. So here we have a connection, a link. It's number 12. Here's our house. Fuel line. Fuel line off. We have access to a fuel tank. We're going to be washing the tank with some new gas, and hopefully it will just make our problem better. Let me show you just a look around. Here's the tank. It's a Kicho Japan, and as you can see, our engine, and on this side is the pump. It's a bit modified, but it just gets the job done. And this side we might need to clean. This is our idler lever gauge. This is our engine. Definitely you can see your spark plug. It's a single spark diff. Exhaust. And on this other side is our carburetor. Nice machine. So without so much, let's get it working. So over here, it's a number 13 size for fuel filter. Access is from down here, and pretty well. It's not so messed up. You can still get some reusing. That's a good sign. So coming here is where our problem is. We need to get rid of the dirty gas. So the machine is here. We're going to be checking the condition of our spark plug. Spark plug. And so for the rest, it's a denso plug. As you can see, it's pretty cooked. May need some rebuilding. Yeah. On this side we have a carburetor. Carburetor looks clean. So let's check for compression on our machine. Our plug is here, almost cleaned. So confirming for compression. Sounds like there's good compression. Sounds like there's good compression. Compression seems like we have something great. Our rings and valves are pretty much in good condition. They might need servicing, but probably not today. Even our plug. This is our machine. We have our cylinder head here, and this is our plug tip. So about now we're going to be testing the compression. It seems like there's good compression, so it's not yet time to replace our rings, compression rings. Seems like something. Yeah. As you can see, the machine is pretty clean. We're just about to get our tank assembly on. Here's our carburetor system. We have our choke, and here's our valve and throttle. So everything should just be working, and we're going to be getting the machines working in a few. Enjoy. So here we're going to be testing for spark from our coil to our spark plug. So just connect the spark, connect the plug to anywhere on the body. Is there a spark? What do you see? What do you see? Do you see a spark? Seems like spark. Let's try another time. One more time. Yeah, there's spark. We have spark. We can try one more time. Just to confirm whether we have spark. If you're keen, that's good. We have spark confirmed. So everything is installed back in position. Our spark plug, our air cleaner, and our fuel tank. And this time round, there is some form of hope as to getting our machine running, and we're going to get back in business. So fingers crossed. Let's hope that we get it successfully started. We have enough fuel. Yes. We almost had it started. Almost. No. That's a bad one. So here we are going to be accessing the carburetor to our machine, and here we have it. This is where we have the choke mechanism. Choke off, choke on. This is our fuel on and fuel off. This is our gasket. We might need a new one, and it's a Hawaii brand. Yeah, so this is pretty much it. Let's just get to service it and put it back. So let's have a look inside our carburetor. It's kind of messy with the old gas. This is an overflow mechanism. We have a float. Kind of looks clean. It's not so dirty. Yeah, but there's some residue definitely. And overall, the carburetor just looks awesome. Let's get to cleaning it so that we can put it back. So let's try once more to get it started.